couple of years ago, I went to visit my sister in Florida on Valentine's Day, and I came across these video clips, and I wanted to share it with you guys and let you see how she was beautiful inside and out. Here we go. We are finally here. We finally made it, and I'm going into my family's house. I'm so happy to see them here. Fun, fun, fun. My honey is not waiting around for me because you know I'm not like the camera right now.
Hey, what?
There's my sister on my vlog.
Oh, good to see you again.
Thank you.
Hey sis, you're on the vlog.
Welcome back to my house.
She look cute, people.
Kinda. But just don't touch it enough.
So that's my sister, y'all. My older sister, and she's always cute. You want to say anything to the viewers out there on YouTube?
I don't like pictures.
She don't like picture, but she deaf on camera. So you want to say?
Sister.
So how you feel about your sister vlogging on YouTube? Being a YouTuber, what you have to say about that?
I've been watching everything that you've been doing. And I'm proud of some of the things that you do.
See that, people? Some of the things.
Sometimes I don't want her to show too much.
Okay, agree.
I'm kind of conservative.
Okay.
And she knows that.
I know.
And I love her very much.
That's it right there. Yes, that's how I'm do it. Season it up nice. So make it marinate up nice. Yes, and then soaking it real good. Look there. Nice. Look at that. Eh? Life don't get better than this, you know?
And it's seasoned so
oh my gosh.
Yes.
That's all my brother-in-law cook.
Yes, it's so
that is all my brother-in-law cook right there. Okay? That's why I love him so much. Yes, and that's grandma right there. Yes, guys, so not like family, right? That's how we do it.
Near to the fire, grandma.
Come.
You must be crazy.
Yeah, make the grandma get burned, you know.
You go.
I make grandma get burned.
Everybody have cook.
Everybody now you cook no. Mama, you want a chair, yeah?
So this is how we do it in Florida, guys.
Florida.
In Florida, only in Florida.
Jamaica,
and that's Sis. Sissy wants to say nothing about the cooking.
It smells so good. You can almost try. Smell like it, and it's not even long.
May I tell you?
My goodness, that's awesome.
The thing nice.
On my Valentine's Day with
yes.
my sister.
Yes.
And my brother-in-law.
Yes, brother-in-law sleep.
And we snore.
Brother-in-law to be.
Brother-in-law to be knock out.
He is snoring.
Bad.
He's having a good snooze inside.
He might relax, man. He might drive home. He might drive.
Yeah. But we're so happy to have you visit again.
Yes.
Oh man.
I can see that you like the area.
I'll just wear back.
And the atmosphere, because you're back really quick.
Very quick.
Very quick.
Who was here in December, guys,
Yes, so
but yes, I didn't vlog.
You might be coming for a baby shower.
Yes, we're coming back in June, I think, for my brother's baby shower. Yes, so we'll be here for that.
Okay.
I guess we're gonna wait for that occasion. And you know, of course, I always bring a little bit of that Jamaica into the backyard. So yes, Ella bottom, Ella top, fire. I say, guys, if you ever smell all the things smell nice, things smell good.
Right now I'm having some cornmeal porridge.
Oh Lord,
In the middle of the day.
look at this.
Some real nice cornmeal porridge made this morning by my own husband.
Oh Lord, cornmeal porridge. Yes, guys. And if you want to know how the cornmeal porridge was made, I have a recipe up. You can just click on that cornmeal porridge. I think I had some of that cornmeal porridge this morning too. Yes, so service was so good, guys. Oh my God. My brother-in-law tear it up. Him tear it up. I'm telling you, the message was to the core. It was soothing.
It was about forgiveness.
Yeah. It was about forgiveness, because boy, I needed to hear it. Yes, yes.
Really love somebody truthfully.
I really needed to hear that message too, because sometimes people hurt you so bad, and it's hard to really find a way how to forgive that person and to just let it go. And I really needed to hear that message, because I think I had a lot of built up anger inside, and I really needed to hear that message to check my own self, because walking around with hatred and in your heart for someone, it doesn't help you. It doesn't help you one bit. You know, you just end up just like them, or even worse than them, with all that anger. Just forgive and forget. And you know, you don't have to deal with people. You just separate yourself from them, but you still have to find a way somewhere to love them regardless. Because look at us, we're not perfect, sis. And the Father loves us just as we are. You know, so who are we to walk around with hatred in our hearts because, you know, somebody says something negative towards you? If that was the case, Lord have mercy, but I'd be a millionaire. Right, Grandma? If people say them hate you and you have them up every day, yes, you have to just move on, because you can't change them.
And it proved that you're mature as
and
well.
Exactly, it proved.
You can let go,
And it proved that you're a child of God.
Yes.
You know?
And you know.
And I'm a child of God.
God is love. We're supposed to
God is love, so we should walk in His paths and show love. Yes, I believe that.
Not just to our own family members, but to anyone.
To anyone, yeah?
Yeah, we're all God's children.
We are all God's children. Amen.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.